Good evening, welcome back to Two States. Today, ನಮ್ಮ evening routine menu alli pulkas and paneer tikka I'm going to prepare. So I'm showing you in chapati dough, which I'm making it into Indian bread variety that is called pulka. Matte paneer tikka, paneer and capsicum and few onions are for paneer tikka. ಇದನ್ನ ಈಗ ಮ್ಯಾರಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪನೀರ್ ಟಿಕ್ಕಾ ಮತ್ತು ಪುಲ್ಕಾ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಾನು ನಮ್ಮ ಮಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುವಂತಹ ನಂದಿನಿ ಪನೀರನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಂದಿನಿ ಪನೀರ್. ಇನ್ ಕೇರಳ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ ಮಿಲ್ಮಾ. Here it's Nandini milk and
back side ಕಾಣಿಗೆ.
This is half kg of quantity. ಇದು logo Nandini.
Okay.
In Calicut, Kerala, it is Milma. Yeah. So.
Oh, Nandini paneer is it?
Yeah.
Okay. Capsicum,
onion. I've taken paneer and made it diced pieces.
Okay.
And now I'm going to marinate also. This is chapati dough. Normal chapati dough. Like normally we do for chapati, that is the dough here. Then we need to make pulka out of this. That gradually I'll show. This is whisking curds, thick curds. And this is for our marination. In this, ನಾನು ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಉಪ್ಪು, half spoon of uppu, that is salt, then chili powder. I'm not making it too spicy because kids don't like too much of spice.
See, Nindu waiting, okay.
Little bit of haldi. Haldi andre manjal powder. Yeah.
Inika.
Give a rub. Now it's Nindu's turn. She is whisking it. This is Zeera powder. In Malayalam? Jeeragam powder. Okay. Mix it, Nina. This is one local brand over here. This is Eastern Garam Masala. Jasti add madbedi, just for namesake. Okay. Then I need this thing, Kashmiri chili powder. This is Eastern Kashmiri chili powder. This will add color to paneer tikkas. So we can add a 2 spoon of Kashmiri chili powder. Yes, this is the marination is ready. We need to put paneer cubes, capsicum cubes and onion petals. Okay, whisking is enough, I feel. Okay, this mixture comes like that. Come. No, not that. We need to put on this. Yes, we tell here kadle hittu. In Malayalam they tell kadle powder that I am adding. This is a secret ingredient actually. Yenandra, this will combine together and when we fry it will give nice flavor. Please check salt and check ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ before fry it. This is kasuri methi. This is kasuri methi. This gives a nice flavor actually. Kasuri methi. I'll show you. how it looks like. Nothing is coming up. Okay, this is kasuri methi. I'm adding this to the mixture. Okay, that is it. We have to marinate this for 10 to 15 minutes. I'm rolling chapati now. Normal chapati, like now yavaglu mado reetine idu chapati, but it won't be perfect round. Yeah.
ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ರೌಂಡು ಇರಲ್ಲ.
But tasty, I mean it tastes yum. So this is the way we make prep for fulkas. Normal chapati dough, normal chapati rolling. These are chapati rolled chapatis, and one more to go. Yes, they are ready to go. And I have taken chapati and dusting of the excess atta powder and just place it and cook it for 2 seconds actually. When bubbles appear, you can flip it. Okay, I'm turning it to next side. This much of bubbles are enough. Take caution. Nanu idral expert, so better be careful. It tumba busy irtade. So what do I do is I just place it on direct flame. It will puff. Phulna they tell in Hindi, and this is what we call it as pulka. Make sure that ಎರಡು ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಕೂಡ it cooks very well, edges as well. ಈ ರೀತಿ. This is one of the variety in Indian bread, we can tell. This pulka goes very well with the butter chicken, butter paneer, all kind of. And today I have prepared, what do we tell, dal fry. And this way you place it on another kadai, another vessel, and just smear it with ghee. Yeah, North Indian food has lot of ghee. See that you apply lot of ghee. Okay, this is what we call it as pulka. Pan is hot now. I'm going to add butter, salted butter. Then this paneer pieces. This few I'm going to grill on pan and few in microwave oven. Isra ullu finished paneer tikka.
Very fast ಅಲ್ಲ? ಇದ್ರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಪಣಿ.
This is jhatpat.
ಪಟ್ಟನೆ ಹೇಳಿಯಲ್ಲ?
Yeah, pattana can. This is paneer tikka. Half of this I am frying it on pan and half will go into microwave oven.
Okay, ಪಟ್ಟನೆ ಹೇಳಿಯಲ್ಲ? ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಮಯ ಮಾಡೋದು?
Till it grills from both sides.
10 minutes ಅಲ್ಲ?
10 minutes, yeah. This is paneer, it will cook faster compared to chicken and other things.
Okay.
This same recipes you can follow with baby corn, mushrooms and chicken also.
We are waiting.
Same marination.
Yeah, we are waiting. Okay.
So yummy, I'm so excited to eat it.
This is done now. Paneer tikkas. ready to serve. It's nicely cooked.
അതെ അതെ നന്നായിട്ടുണ്ട് തോന്നുന്നു അല്ലേ
Yeah.
കഴിച്ചു
Paneer tikka, dal fry. This morning ravile undaki. Then this pulka and paneer tikka and some salads.